I love this group of people. It's really funny, and the sharing and the openness that everybody uses, I guess it's fantastic. And on top of that, I love Morocco. So it's really nice to be here, enjoy the weather, enjoy the food, enjoy the company. So on that, super. I'm really happy to be here.
It was really nice all these days. I really liked the good spirit between the team. We had real fun during the days and especially during the nights. People were relaxed. It was really, really fantastic.
Favorite moments? Okay. I think the party was nice, and getting to know the traditional music and the traditional dance of the Moroccan people.
The best part of these 3 days was that I got to celebrate my birthday party in Morocco. Who would ever think that I would get to celebrate my birthday party in Morocco? It was a pleasure.
The field visits was really good as well.
Both of them. They were eye-opening because I haven't had the opportunity to be in Africa. This is my first time.
It was really nice that we found this time, that the team managed to squeeze this into a tight schedule and letting us see 2 of the sites where the work is being done. And the people that we met were really welcoming us. One opened their homes for us to have a meeting. They treated us, explained to us what is the situation, how the system in the village works, about the small fields they have, the terraces near the village. In the other case, they explained to us about the nursery they are doing here with the help of the GDF and the MBLA. The things that I had read in the reports, now I saw them and I have, I know what they talk about.
Also the games for me was very interactive and innovative, so they break the ice and were very helpful.
We did a great exercise. It was selecting one card in which it had a picture and a word. And if that word identify yourself in any way, you can just introduce yourself using that word. It was good because it made you relax a little bit, stop, introducing yourself the regular way, like, hi, I'm Mercedes Muñoz from IUCN, but just using one of your characteristics to show the rest who you are.
My card was the belief word, and we have to link this word with something of your life. And I think that's interesting because any word you can get inspires you to talk about something in your life.
I got to learn several things from different cultures, Moroccan and other cultures who were also here. I got to meet lots of people, and it was really, really a pleasure.
I would like to thank MAVA at the top. I would like to thank the Moroccan team, GDF, for everything. Everything was nice. And hopefully, as I mentioned, I hope that this network of partners will continue later on.